In today's video, I will walk you through how to share location on Telegram. Before we jump into this quick tutorial, tap the link in the description below to follow along. And let's get started. To get started, open Telegram and go to the chat where you want to send your location. Once you're inside the conversation, look at the message box and click the attachment icon. This is usually shown as a paperclip next to the text field. From the attachment menu, look for the location option and select it. Telegram will open the location sharing window. If location access is available, allow it so Telegram can determine your current position. Once your location is detected, you'll see your position displayed on the map. Take a moment to check that the location shown is correct before sending it. If everything looks right, choose your current location, and Telegram will then send the location as a message in the chat. The recipient can open the location message and view it on a map. This can be helpful when you're planning to meet someone at a restaurant, building, shopping center, or another specific place. It's also important to remember that location sharing involves your physical location, so make sure you're sending it to the correct person or group. If this quick technical clarification saved you some frustration, hit that like button, subscribe for more platform breakdowns, and let me know in the comments what feature you want covered next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.